The more corrupt the state, the more numerous the laws. I have seen it with my own eyes. Governments that rot from the inside, cloaking themselves in rules. They do not write laws to serve justice. They write them to control, to confuse, to protect the guilty and punish the bold. The more they fear the people, the more they wrap them in chains of paperwork, policies, and silence. And still they call it order. But I know, a just state needs few laws. A corrupt one needs 1,000. Tacitus,